Throwback to early 2023. Google drops Bard. And honestly, it felt rushed. Like a panic product. It was bad. Even Google employees later admitted it was worse than useless. Hallucinating nonstop, telling users to eat drugs, recommending smoking during pregnancy, and confidently giving dangerous advice. It became a meme overnight. Fast forward to today. People are praising Gemini 3 like it's the second coming of GPT-4. And the crazy part? They're not wrong. The responses feel sharper, more coherent, more intelligent. By mid-2025, I genuinely thought AI had hit a plateau, especially after GPT-5 dropped and didn't live up to Sam Altman's Twitter hype. I even stayed up late to watch the launch live. Pain. But Gemini 3? It feels different. If this were any other company, they'd probably be dead by now. Google survived and came back because they're Google. They already had everything. Massive global distribution, their own chips, unlimited data, free tools used by billions, and one of the best AI research teams on the planet, DeepMind. Here's the wild part. Google had the cheat code back in 2017. They literally invented the transformer architecture, the same architecture powering GPT-5, Gemini, and basically every modern AI model today. But because it threatened their own business model, they let it sit, while OpenAI used it to change the world. So the question is obvious. If Google had the power, the chips, the data, and the researchers, why were they still behind in 2023 and 2024? It comes down to three massive internal roadblocks. Problem number one, structural inefficiency. Google wasn't one company. It was a collection of kingdoms. Search, YouTube, Gmail, Cloud, Android, each with its own leadership, priorities, and politics. If AI researchers wanted to ship something, they had to navigate endless approval chains across departments. Worse, Google Brain and DeepMind, the two most elite AI teams, were competing, not collaborating. Same mission, same goals, different org charts. It was chaos. Problem number two, research over product. Google's AI culture was built around research for the sake of science. And to be fair, that's noble. But if you don't productize your breakthroughs, someone else will. That's exactly what happened with Transformers. Eventually, Google shifted gears. Research became product-driven. Hundreds of engineers were moved directly into DeepMind. Brain power consolidated. One mission, chip. Problem number three, bureaucratic paralysis. Google had become painfully slow. Every AI update, no matter how small, had to pass legal reviews, ethics committees, safety teams, executive approvals. By the time something shipped, competitors had already released 5 versions. So when Google finally panicked and rushed Bard and early image generators out the door, it backfired. No single owner, no clear authority. That's how we got AI telling people to put glue on pizza. The turning point. Google fixed this by doing one critical thing. They gave DeepMind real authority. Decisions no longer took months, they took days. And everything changed. Why Google is now dangerous. Google doesn't just have good models. They have structural advantages no one else has. 1. Chips and infrastructure. Google has been building custom AI chips, TPUs, since 2013. While NVIDIA GPUs are general purpose, TPUs are optimized for one thing: matrix multiplication, the math that makes AI work. Their latest TPUs are significantly more efficient and cheaper. Because Google owns the chips, the data centers, the cloud, they can train models 30 to 50% cheaper than competitors. That's why companies like Anthropic and Mistral are moving to Google Cloud. 2. Data. AI lives and dies by data. Google owns the largest search engine, the biggest video platform, Google Images, Google Maps, Google Books, Android, Chrome. That's an unmatched stream of high-quality, real-world data. No one else comes close. 3. Distribution. Google doesn't need to find users. They already have them. Chrome, Search, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, YouTube. When Gemini was integrated directly into Search, it was a massive blow to competitors. That's why OpenAI and Perplexity rushed to launch AI browsers. Too late. Google already owns the front door to the internet. The flywheel. Zoom out and you see the loop. Better chips, better models. Better models, more cloud customers. More customers, more data. More data, even better models. And Chrome scales it to billions instantly. This is what Geoffrey Hinton called Google's decisive advantage. It's not just smart people. It's researchers, data, and data centers working as one machine. The big picture. Apple has devices, but lacks data and infrastructure. Microsoft dominates enterprise, but depends on OpenAI and NVIDIA. Google? They owned the entire stack. That's why long-term, Google has the edge. So how does 2026 look for Google? Honestly, very good. And that's it. If you like this video, check out this one. And I'll see you in the next one.